Greetings to everyone. So, to add music to a video, first we need to add the video itself by clicking the plus sign at the top left. Then click Import and choose any audio recording. For example, I have added one. It turned out to be quite loud, so I want to lower the volume. On the right, in the Volume tab, we decrease the volume. We can also make the beginning and end of the sound smoother. That is, gradually increase and decrease the volume at the start and end of the sound. We can also remove background noise, meaning reduce noise, to eliminate any hissing or humming in the background. Additionally, we can speed it up, or conversely slow it. I hope this video was useful and informative for you.